Well, good morning, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here on Toledo Bend Lake, and it's Christmas again. That's right. Went to the mailbox and got me a package. I think it's going to be a mail-in repair service. Having my morning coffee with my T-Mike mug. Bon tasse du café. All right, so let's open up and see what we got. See what project we got to work on today. It says it's from Alabama. I don't really see a name on it. Let's open her up. Got a bag of stuff. Got a Magneto plate. Got all the hardware. Like you said, the points. So it's a mag plate. Got a package here. Let's see what's in here. Got a note. Got some moolah. That's always good. Hi, T-Mike. This is for my 1962 18 horsepower Evinrude. As discussed in our email, I've included all the hardware for the Magneto rebuild with the included money and return label. Let me know if there's any problems. And this is Tony in Alabama. So Tony in Alabama has sent me a Magneto rebuild. So that's going to be a good one. I just so happen right now to have designed a stand to test magnetos on to check for spark. So that'll work good. I'll rebuild the mag, put it on my test stand, show that it's got spark, and send it off. So it's going to be a good project. I'll get everything laid out. Set the camera up, put it in fast speed motion, and rebuilt it. Bring it over here and test it for spark. If everybody's ready, here we go. Okay, I got my tools laid out. I got the Magneto plate with the coils, all the hardware Tony sent me. I got the tune-up kit, spark wires, boots, crimper, and once I get it done, I'm going to take her over to my ignition Magneto test stand and give her a run. I'll show you that Tony's going to have spark. Here we go. Okay, so as you saw, I've rebuilt it, put everything brand new on it, put everything placed. I've mounted Tony's bag on my test stand here, and I've used the car locator that I sell in my store online and on eBay to line up the coils where they match on the base. And now I'm using the timing tool that I sell on eBay and on my online store. So this is a timing tool designed by my engineers up in Chicago. They're a little different, 3D printed. They have a wider base right here for turning it, to give it a strength to turn, and they're exact same as the original model. They have a marked top and bottom on it. So you just pull all the wires off, set your lead on here, put the other lead to ground, and you have your ohm meter sitting here. I got 1.8 ohms, and you put your timing tool on it and spin it to the two marks that are on the mag plate. Bring around to the T for the top. Put it in between the two marks. Have your meter on here. It should say open, which allows the spark to go through. And when you back it off, it goes to grounded. It goes open. And you do the same thing for the bottom side. So that's how you set the points. The older method of setting the points was using a feeler gauge, and the cam that sits on top's got a mark that says top, and you spin it till it gets to the top and then set it for 20 thousandths. I found that it doesn't always work. If you watch my other videos, I have problems with spark, and when I set it with this timing tool, the spark appears and it's stronger. So I highly recommend you buy this timing tool in my store. This will fit all horsepowers from 5 up to 18, 20 horsepower. All right, there's one with a smaller diameter for the 3 horsepower, and one with a bigger diameter. All right, so same Magneto, same timing tool, 5 to 20 horsepower. All right, so I got it all set. So now I'm going to lay the wires all down, and we're going to pull the rope, put the flywheel on it, pull the rope, see if we get spark. All right, I got the flywheel put on. I'm going to pull the rope, see if we have spark. Right here on my checker. Oh yeah, got good spark. I'm going to bring you up close so you can see it. How about that? As you can see, Tony's Magneto puts out great spark. It'll be the same thing when he sets it on his 18 horsepower. So another successful mail-in repair. If you need your Magneto rebuilt or repaired, just contact me and ship it to me. I can take care of it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. See y'all next time. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your Magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T-Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride, And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.